In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Remitly, Money Transfers Step-by-Step Guide. If you're new to Remitly and want a simple walkthrough of how to send money, this guide will help you understand the process clearly from start to finish. The goal is to make your transfer as smooth as possible, while also helping you pay attention to the important details that appear on the screen during setup. To begin, open your Remitly account. Once you're signed in and on the main screen, you'll see the option to send money. Tap or click Send to get started with your transfer. This is where the process begins, and from here, Remitly will guide you through the setup step by step. Next, enter the amount you want to send. Take a moment here to make sure the amount is correct, especially if you're working within a budget or sending a specific total to someone. After that, select the recipient's currency. This is an important part of the transfer because it determines how the money will be received on the other end. Always double-check that you've chosen the correct currency before moving forward. Once that's done, choose the delivery method. Depending on the destination and the options available, this may affect how quickly the money arrives and how the recipient receives it. Read the choices carefully on your screen so you can select the option that best fits your needs. After selecting the delivery method, choose your payment method. This is how you'll pay for the transfer. Make sure you review the method you select so you know exactly where the funds will be coming from. When everything looks good, click Continue to move to the next part of the process. You'll then be asked to enter the recipient's account number. This step is very important, so take your time and enter the information carefully. Even a small mistake in account details can delay the transfer or send money to the wrong place. It's always a good idea to review the information once before submitting it. From there, simply follow the prompts on your screen. Remitly will guide you through any remaining details needed to complete the transfer. As you move through each page, review the information carefully so you can confirm that everything is accurate before finishing. And that's how to use Remitly to send money step by step. If you go slowly, double-check the amount, currency, delivery method, payment method, and account number. The process is usually quick and easy to complete.